Across America, the landscape of farming is undergoing a dramatic shift. In just 5 years, the nation has lost over 150,000 farms, a stark reminder of a harsh reality family farmers call get big or get out. This isn't just about fewer farms, it's about a fundamental transformation in how our food is produced. From the sprawling fields of the Midwest to specialized crop operations, a quiet revolution is taking hold. Giant machines, powered by artificial intelligence and robotics, are increasingly performing tasks once carried out by human hands. This isn't science fiction, it's the present, reshaping the very definition of a farmer. This isn't the first time technology has drastically altered agriculture. In the early 20th century, the widespread adoption of tractors replacing horses led to nearly half of all farm jobs disappearing, devastating rural communities. The current wave of automation echoes that earlier, profound societal shift. Yet, for decades, advanced farm mechanization research slowed significantly. In the 1970s, as a continuous supply of undocumented workers from Latin America arrived, harvesting crops for low wages, the immediate economic pressure for automation was suppressed. This ample labor force challenged the need for new machines. With more unauthorized Mexicans arriving after peso devaluations and a rising demand for fresh fruits and vegetables, farmers shifted their focus. They planted more labor-intensive commodities, confident they would find an ample supply of seasonal workers among U.S. farm labor. This pattern diverted investment from automation. But the landscape shifted again. The ample supply of manual labor that once suppressed mechanization has become increasingly unreliable. Today, labor shortages and soaring costs for essential inputs like fertilizer, pesticides, and other agrochemicals are pushing farmers back towards automation with renewed urgency. Beyond labor and cost pressures, another powerful force is at play: corporate consolidation. In America today, a handful of giant corporations control more of our food supply than ever before. This dominance creates an environment where mega factory farms thrive, making it harder for small-scale farmers to compete. The consequences are dire for family farms. Take the cowbox, 5 generations of farmers who, despite their heritage, abandoned livestock and mixed farming. They now grow only corn and soybeans for corporate buyers, a testament to the get big or get out pressure. She suspects she may be the last of her line. Today's mechanization goes far beyond the early 20th century tractor. The latest wave incorporates artificial intelligence, advanced robotics, and sophisticated sensor technology. This isn't just about speed and scale, it's about intelligence and precision. The world's largest tractor manufacturer, John Deere, is at the forefront of this transformation. They plan to replace every corn and soybean farmer with robots in just 4 years. Their strategy involves purchasing startups that bolster agri-tech R&D, signifying a commitment to a fully automated future. Machines like Prospera are already changing how farms operate. This robotic system uses a network of cameras and sensors to detect invaders and recognize when crops are sick. It then alerts farmers and provides solutions through an app, demonstrating a new level of automated crop management. Even the delicate task of harvesting is falling to robots. Though they still can't spot a ripe tomato hidden under leaves as well as a human, progress is rapid. AI-powered systems are learning to identify subtle cues, making them increasingly capable of selective picking and quality control. In dairy farming, milking machines have long been a staple, operating 24/7 without breaks. This early form of automation provided a glimpse into the efficiency future. Now, with AI integration, these systems are becoming even smarter, monitoring animal health and optimizing output. The evolution of the tractor itself exemplifies this shift. Modern tractors can be operated remotely, allowing farmers to oversee operations from a distance. With machine learning, these vehicles can understand their environment and react accordingly, turning manual labor into supervisory roles. The vision of a fully autonomous farm, run with minimal human input, is becoming a reality. Drones, AI, and robot pickers are paving the way. This future appeals to a new generation, many of whom don't want to be stuck manually running combines, dealing with dust, and spending valuable daytime tractor out the land. Many current farmers, especially those without children or families, see this as a necessary evolution. The shift in jobs, they believe, will be from less manual labor on the farm to more AI interaction, such as tuning combines and tractors, deciding what work to do and where. This transforms the nature of farming work itself. Beyond combines and harvesters, smaller, more agile robots are crawling through America's fields. Some even have lasers, used for precise weeding or pest control, reducing reliance on chemical herbicides and pesticides. This suggests a future where machines aren't just big, but also smart and specialized. Despite incredible advancements, robots still have limitations. They can't comfort a stressed cow during calving, or fix a broken tractor with duct tape and grit in the middle of a storm. The nuance of animal husbandry and the ingenuity of on-the-spot repairs remain firmly in human hands. This leads many to believe the real future isn't one of complete replacement, but rather a dream team approach, humans plus robots. Farmers focus on big decisions, strategic planning, and the nuanced care robots can't provide, while smart technology handles the grunt work, efficiency, and scale. For many, AI isn't just about gadgets and hype, it's about survival. In American agriculture today, especially in specialty crops, discussions around AI are centered on whether family farms and rural communities can endure. It's a critical tool in keeping them in business, not necessarily replacing them entirely. Perhaps the future isn't just about bigger machines. Stephen Mirsky, a USDA research ecologist, suggests that scale-neutral technology like small robots might offer an alternative. The question then becomes, are you a one-robot farm or a 30-robot farm, rather than needing the biggest combine? Startups like Farming in Watsonville, California, are already building small, easy-to-configure robot platforms. Farmers can customize these for their specific needs. This offers the option to make smaller, safer investments into autonomous humanoid labor, reversing the cycle of large, risky capital outlays. The integration of smart tech also facilitates hyperlocal farming. Imagine robot bees pollinating crops or agrobots weeding fields in urban rooftop gardens and vertical farms. This approach brings food production closer to consumption, reducing transportation costs and environmental impact. At its core, agricultural technology promises efficiency and sustainability. Systems like Tamra's potato processing robot are reducing the strain of understaffing. If the push to adopt AI across the nearly 2 million American farms succeeds, the implications for feeding the rest of the world could be substantial. From the disappearance of family farms to the rise of intelligent machines, America's agricultural journey is far from over. The future of farming isn't a single path, but a complex interplay of massive autonomous fields and precision-focused smaller robots, all aimed at navigating the challenges of feeding a growing planet.